Right guys, in today's video we're going to be getting this photo from this to this using Evoto to do the work, or the majority of the work for us. Let's get straight into this video. Yeah, another quick video today, and in this one we're going to be fixing this graduation photo as best we can using Evoto. Now, don't forget guys, if you go to a channel and they're doing pump and dump videos, what I mean by that is they'll do a paid promotion of said software and then you never see them use it again. Yeah, well, make your own mind up on them ones anyway. But on this channel, you'll see me use software all the time. I tell you the good, the bad, what I don't like, etc. I'm honest. That's all I can say is I'm honest with the software. The good points, I'm happy to tell. The bad points, I'm happy to tell. I don't get paid. End of story. Let's crack on. Right, okay, so in this picture, we didn't have much time. It was literally minutes to get these pictures done, and then it was like shuffled along, the next people, blah, blah, blah. The background they had, terrible. Just look at the state of this. But we're going to try and fix this as best we can, and then make it a little bit more presentable for the client to get printed out and put on the wall. Right, okay, so the first thing we're going to address is the creases. They weren't happy with the outfits they were given, but anyway, we're going to fix them as best we can using Evoto, and we'll see what we can do. Right, okay, so let's go into the de-wrinkle clothing, and we'll just get it fired up to max, and let it do its magic. It's processing 5 pieces of clothing, it said there, I think, or something. Right, okay, so we had a lot of creases in this guy's jacket, and it cleaned up this person's cloak quite considerably. You know, we've got some here as well. It's done a really good job of just getting the, you know, the worst out of the clothing there. So I'm happy with that. We've got a couple of things, again, like I said, this is just going to be a quick edit. We don't need to do a lot with this picture. You know, we don't have to make them glam. It's just natural as best we can. Main area, like I said, is going to be the background, and we've got some glare in this chap's glasses that we can fix as well. Again, for things like this, I think we should get away with doing a good job with this software. So let me go into the, where are we at? Glasses glare. Okay, we're going to go to the individual section. We're going to click on the gentleman, and then we'll turn that, where's it gone? Glasses glare, there we go. Don't forget, this is still in beta. Now on this picture, it's not too bad of a glare, so it should be able to fix that pretty good, in my opinion. So let me go in and let's try around the 70% mark. And boom. We've just still got a little bit of shadow there, so we'll take it all the way up to 100. Does that give us any difference? There we go. Now, again, that was such a quick fix, and it's done a really good job. Okay, now I think there was one lady said she had a few blemishes she would just like fixing on her face, and it was this lady here. So let's find her in the frame. There we go. And then we're gonna go into the freckle and acne and let it do its magic, and we've just little tidies up. So just a few blemishes on her face she wanted removing, and there we go. How good's that? You know, like I said, we're just doing a quick edit, nothing too fancy. They don't want any glam features, doing just simple fixes, tidy the clothes up, and then the main thing was the background we were going to address as well. Okay, head over to the section that we can fix the background right now. So we have a choice of backgrounds we can use in here. Oh, excuse me. And then what we're going to do is choose one that's suitable. Just like I said, it's not the perfect fix. It's a presentable fix for the client. Again, like I said, to get this printed out and have it on their wall as quick as possible. Right, okay, so I'm going to go for, I think we'll try the blue one first of all. Let it do its process. It's doing all its magic. Okay, now, what I would suggest I do on this one is I just want to get this hair's looking just a little bit too it's blending in too much with the where's she at? Oh, there we go. We've got that lady here. I'm just going to bring the shadows up on her hair, and then can we go to the hair, there we go. And we're just going to bring the shadows up just a little bit to help alleviate that backdrop darkness, I would say. Now I do apologise if this is running just a little bit too slow. I am recording in 4K as well as doing the edits real time, and we've got a little bit of a glitch here. Okay, let me just see. It's presentable. Again, like I said, we're just making this presentable. The client said she wanted something like this. They had a blue one of one of the other kids at home, and they wanted this sort of like blue mottled background to, you know, make it more the same as the other ones basically. But yeah, I think that's excuse me, I think we're going to just leave that there. Again, like I said, it was a quick edit, getting the picture more presentable for the client, and yeah, she's going to be happy with that. Anyway, don't forget guys, like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.